Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today I want to take a look at a product from UAG that is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And let's face it, there are not a lot of cases on the market, and more importantly, there's not a lot of cases that are going to give you the kind of protection that UAG will give your phone. So let's check it out. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at two cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. They're going to give you the ultimate in protection. These two cases are in the civilian line. And if we take a look at the case itself, you're talking about a drop test certified case that's going to give you, again, that ultimate protection, but still keeping in line with the compact nature of the Z Flip. So let's take a look at some of the features of the case, and then we'll go into the fit and finish. Now, as we take a look at the features here, you're basically going to get a case that's going to be impact resistant, something that is extremely lightweight, but still incredibly durable. And this is one of the things I love about the UAG line. They're very thin and they're very protective. The other thing that we're going to have, and you don't really see this with many cases, is hinge protection. So the previous case I had on my Z Flip protected the front of it, the back of it, but the hinge was always exposed. And this is a hinge cover that retracts when you open and close your phone. So let's take a closer look. Now, taking a closer look at the case, what you'll notice is that it looks like any normal case. Matter of fact, the only thing that makes this a little bit different is that it has a cut right here that actually allows the case to fold. Well, watch this. I'm going to separate it. This is the protective area that most cases that I've seen on the market do not have today for the Z Flip. So this, if you notice, is going to, as you fold your phone and open it, opens up like this, and it's going to cover, again, that foldable area. If we take a look at the inside of the case again is drop certified. You have this honeycomb pattern in the inside that's going to give you great protection. You have polycarbonate material combined with some TPU material that's going to give you some really nice protection protecting your phone. And you have all the appropriate cutouts all the way around. Has the UAG logo here on the side, and on this side you have the appropriate cutouts to support, again, your volume rocker, fingerprint sensor, and then also you have your pinhole mic. So now, as we take a look at how it's implemented, I'm going to flip this over because this is the olive green, almost like military green if you're interested in that color. And then here I have the black version on, and I just want to show you how this looks. So here I have the case on. You'll notice that all these areas are accessible and easy to find. And what I like also about this is that it's easy for me to bring my finger up to the fingerprint sensor. And let me go ahead and lock the phone again, and we'll do that one more time. So it's really easy for me to bring it up to this area, and then boom, it's right there. So I like the way that this serves as a guide. You have your volume rocker here, and if we take a look at it this way, you'll notice that there's a lot of depth here. So you have a lot of depth that's really protecting these, so that if it's in your pocket and something brushes up against it, it's really hard for these to go off by itself. So if I were to flip it like this and put it down like this, it's not gonna move my volume rocker or do anything with the phone, because you have this kind of depth here in this cutout. As we take a look at the top, you can see how that pinhole mic aligns nicely. As we flip this over, you'll notice how the logo there shows well. On the bottom, you have your, again, your power port is exposed, and then also you have your speaker there. And if I were to turn this off for a second and look at the back, you'll notice that you do get a really nice angle here that's going to prevent any kind of camera flash, but you also have great protection because you can see how much of the depth that you have there. Now, the screen itself has good protection. You'll notice all the way around. Let's put this in an angle right here. So you have, again, great protection going all the way around, because let's face it, you can't have a screen protector on these. So having great screen protection is really important. Now, as I fold it, notice again what's going to happen here. As I'm folding it, it's protecting the back, the spine. And when it comes to closure, this is what it's going to look like. So you notice what I like about it, there isn't really much of any space right here. It stays nice and flush. And you'll notice how that looks on each side. And then as soon as I open it up, bam, it disappears. Love, love, love the implementation. So again, what we know, great UAG protection for your phone case, great protection for your Z Flip, and now you have a case that's going to also protect the back of the phone. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip case from UAG. If you're interested in more cases for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip or any other Samsung device, check out these playlists. You'll see many more cases that we reviewed on the channel.